Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OKEx for leverage trading, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the OKEx website. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Fill out the registration form with your email address and password. Make sure you read and agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Check your email for a confirmation link and click on it to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into OKEx using your credentials. Next, complete the identity verification process. This may require uploading a valid ID and a selfie for authentication. After verification, navigate to the Assets tab in your account dashboard. Deposit funds into your OKEx account by clicking on Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Follow the instructions to generate a wallet address for the deposit. After your funds are confirmed, go to the Spot Trading section. Select the trading pair you want to leverage. Click on the Leverage option to set your desired leverage ratio. Adjust the slider to select your level of leverage. Check the margin requirements displayed on the screen. Next, input the amount you wish to trade using this leverage. Review the order details carefully before proceeding. Click on the buy or sell button depending on your strategy. Confirm the trade by reviewing the final details. Once your trade is executed, monitor it in the Open Orders section. Keep an eye on market fluctuations to manage your position effectively. Consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Finally, make informed decisions based on market analysis and your trading strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.